What's going on, friends? It's your buddy Brian here. It is a gorgeous day here in Winnipeg, and I thought to take advantage of it. Let's make ourselves a video. A lot of you have been asking about our crazy rub and our crazy sauce, so let's go ahead and show you how it's done. So let's strap in and let's grill crazy.
Let's go crazy.
All right, so let's get into this crazy rub first. So we're gonna run down these ingredients. It's just everybody in the pool. So half a cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of paprika, and then we have 3 tablespoons kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 3 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and we are at 1 tablespoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of cayenne to give it a little bit of heat. And all you're gonna do, get right in there, mix it around until everything is nice as incorporated. This rub is a great all-purpose rub. It can go on any kind of meat, any kind of fish, veggies. You can put it on anything you want. Once this is all mixed up, it's got a shelf life of about 6 months. So just keep it in an airtight jar, keep it in your pantry, and you'll be good to go, and you can sprinkle this on anything. Rub is done. Now it's time to get your sauce balls on. So this is a ketchup-based sauce. It's all-purpose, goes on pretty much anything. Let's run it down. So 2 cups of ketchup. Use any kind you like. And there we go. All right. 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar. That's right. I'm going wild. I'm free-handing things. We're hoping for the best here. We got about a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Sometimes if you like the sauce a little sweeter, add a little more brown sugar. I do like my sauce on the sweeter side. And because of that, we're gonna use beautiful Manitoba honey from Cook's Creek. And that is about a 1/4 cup of honey. 1/4 cup of Winchester sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, however you wanna say it. Good amount of shakes in there. Give it some of that tang. We are looking at 3 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. We got your salt. We got your pepper. Last but certainly not least, a little bit of hot sauce. I personally like using Cosmic Coyote. It's by Intergalactic Sauces, made right here in Winnipeg. You can use whatever you want, any different flavored hot sauce. This has got a great balance and a really good heat, so I like to use this. And we're going for about 1.5 teaspoons. And you make it as hot or as not as you want. So now, we're gonna get this on the heat. We're gonna let it all combine. You wanna bring it to a boil and then right down to a simmer. Let it reduce for about 10 minutes. It'll get nice and sticky and sweet, and all the flavors are gonna get together. It's gonna be delightful. There we go, we got heat. All right, we're gonna give this a good whisk, get everything incorporated. And that's it, like I said, let it come up to a boil, bring it down to a simmer, let it hang out for about 10 minutes and let all those flavors meld together. While we're waiting for this to thicken up, why don't you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications to see our new content. We're gonna be coming out every Thursday. All right, this is looking done. So, all you do, take it off the heat, find your favorite jar. This one's called Jari. He's a good buddy of mine. And you just get it on in there. So because this sauce has 0 preservatives, it is only good in the fridge for about 3 weeks. Don't try and stretch it any longer. Maximum flavor, 3 weeks. You can, if you have a vacuum sealer, you can vacuum seal this, put it in the freezer, You can freeze it up to 6 months and then take it out. But as soon as you thaw it, 3 weeks, that's it. No more, no less. You want the full flavor of this sauce. Well, I guess we're a grilling show. I guess we should grill something. Cue the montage. I guess the montage is done. Anyways, this is your crazy rub, crazy sauce, crazy chicken wings. Get into them. They go together so well. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ring that dinner bell to get all of our notifications. I'm going to continue eating these, and I guess, Reed, why don't you come over here and help me eat these? Because I hate eating alone. Cheers. Clinky.
Clinky. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Those work so well together.
Mm-hmm. I know.
It's a match made in heaven.
And just remember, if you're going to grill, grill crazy.